In today's video, I'll guide you on installing Delta Executor on your iPhone. We will cover two methods, using the eSign app and the Scarlet app, allowing you to enhance your Roblox experience. First, the eSign method. You'll need to download the Delta Executor IPA file and the eSign app from their official websites. If you encounter an untrusted enterprise developer message, go to your iPhone's settings, then General, and select VPN and device management. Here, you'll trust the enterprise app associated with eSign. Once trusted, open eSign, tap the three dots, and import the Delta Executor IPA file. Finally, in the apps section, select Roblox Delta app, tap signature, and then install. Next, the Scarlet method. Download the Delta Executor IPA and the Scarlet app from usescarlet.com. After installation, navigate to Settings, then General, then to VPN and Device Management, and trust the Enterprise app for Scarlet. Open the Scarlet app, tap the sideload icon, and select the Delta Executor IPA file to begin installation. Both eSign and Scarlet are effective for side-loading Delta Executor. Remember to follow each step carefully, especially trusting the developer. Thank you for watching this video.